Oh yeah, starting the day. Look it over. Wow. Alright, welcome back to Dan's Hangout Garage. This is going to be an update for all my new subscribers. And thank you for subscribing to Dan's Hangout Garage. And why I haven't uploaded, this is what we're going to do. What happened, where am I at, and what's going on. As you can see, kind of behind me, hopefully, the shop next door to me caught on fire. And which caused mine to have a whole bunch of smoke damage. So we've been slowly moving and cleaning things out that we can keep, throwing everything away. Like the pool tables got completely wet, it's gone, and we're gonna try to rebuild. I hadn't heard from the landlord of what he wants to do with the building yet, because we have no power, we have no water. So just remind you, this is gonna be an update. We're not gonna be working on anything, but I'm gonna show you what's been going on, what I have done, and why I haven't uploaded. Back in this room right here, area, I should say. Let's see if I can see it. Hold on. Yeah, back in this room over here, I used to have a computer. And every time I would make a video, I would, especially when my GoPro started getting full, I would dump all the files on the computer, and and then I would edit everything, and then I would take it home. I would take it home to upload it because I had internet at home, but I did everything here. Well, when the fire happened and water was sprayed from the other building, because this is a big metal building and these are just walls, and water got everywhere, the computer got completely soaked. I have tried to send off the hard drive to copy the data, and so far it's been a no-go. So that's why I haven't uploaded in a while. Last year I decided on taking a career change. So we have some vehicles that are now gone, some vehicles that have now come up, and I'm about to take you on a little tour of what's going on. Again, this is an update for all my subscribers. I thank you for watching it. So let's get into the video and let's get started. All right, so we're gonna show you what's been going on and what you've missed, especially with the Passat. Okay, because there's been a few upgrades on the Passat, and I'm gonna show you. Okay, so we do have a new car lineup. We have, of course, the Passat, which I will never get rid of right now. Then we purchased a 2013 Volkswagen Tiguan, and now my son has a 2000 Volkswagen Rabbit 2.5. Cars always want to drive by when I do videos. 2.5. That thing has a lot of lights on the dash, so we'll be getting them off and getting ready for when he turns 16 so he can drive it. Yes, it's parked in the yard only for the video reasons. So let's go over to the Passat and what has been going on. Besides the whole cancer on the hood and top is getting really bad, so we're gonna have to address that eventually. So let's go under the hood. It is really dirty. The car has been parked for a while. So we installed new motor mounts on this car. We also have a transmission mount, which you can't see because it's covered up, and a new dog bone mount. That was fun to install. One of the videos that got lost in that fire. Let's go to the inside of the car. Of course, we have video that we lost of replacing the door handle. And this piece right here, the lock mechanism. That actually, yeah, that was a fun one. As we're in the car, the last video I did with a boost tap, and we have a new boost gauge in the car. which is pretty cool. Let me start it up and I'll show you. And then that we installed a brand new radio with a reverse camera, which is one of the videos that is missing. Yes, the car is loud. Now we have the shifter apart. That is the video I'm hopefully be working on next, and let you know why, because mine is stuck in gear and my forward and reverse cable completely broke, so it does not do nothing. So I can't even do side to side anymore. So hopefully that's going to be an update video coming up soon on how to replace the shifter cables on this thing. So besides, you know, all the new subscribers, I thank you for following. Let's lock my wife's car up because I just moved it for the video purposes. But on the life-changing events, I did get a new job. After 15 or 14 years, I quit my current job. Because, you know, why not? You know, most people know why you quit your job, and I just got tired. Well, that is why Big Red is no longer in our lineup. If you haven't followed me, been following me since Big Red, that was a 1992 Ford F-150 with under 100,000 miles that we've been working on. The Honda Goldwing, I apologize if you're here for the Honda Goldwing content. It is now gone. I sold both vehicles to keep me afloat while I was in the converting of changing jobs. But with the new job, that's why I was able to purchase the 2013 Volkswagen Tiguan. And I traded off a 2004 Mitsubishi Endeavor that I had done some videos on for the 07 Rabbit for my son. He did not need to be driving an SUV, so we wanted something smaller, and this would be a nice little project. It has got a lot of stuff wrong with the suspension. It's got a whole bunch of lights on the dash that we need to get off. There's my neighbor across the street. We did a complete tear down on his car. He has a 92 Camaro. Pulled the heads off of it, re-head gasketed, new head bolts, new valve train. We did a whole complete top end on it, and that's another video that got lost. I have a lot of videos that I did trying to keep a couple weeks in advance that got lost. And again, I appreciate you watching this video, and I'll letting you know what's going on. I don't know if you can see it, but my window tint's getting bad. I got to take it in and have that done. Missing side mirror on both sides on the Passat because they decided to fall off in this 114-degree heat we've been having. So that is going to be the update for right now. Thank you for subscribing to Dan's Hangout Garage. Hopefully you stick around, and hopefully we get some more content coming. And problem is, we probably won't be doing it at the garage. We'll probably be doing it in this nice gravel driveway. Back to doing that until we can find another building or find out what we want to do with the landlord wants to do with the shop. But again, that was a lot of my fault. I didn't have renter's insurance. I should have. I didn't think anything would happen like this, but it did. So I mean, I don't mind cleaning the building, and you know, but it's restoring power and water, because without power we can't really do a lot of things that we used to do. So yeah, that's the lineup for right now. That's what's been going on. Hopefully you stick around, and thanks for watching. Later.
Thank you for coming. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on that bell notification. Until next time.